Dod yn ôl at fy nghoed is a Welsh phrase I found out recently. Nghoed means wood or forest in this, or trees. Dod means going back, and literal translation is going back to my trees. However, it's kind of going more to a back of a mental state of mind, and it's easy to see. For me, it's always relaxing. It's a nice calm bit, but it's also where so much magic and tales are, from Blodeuwedd to Twrch to Merlin and his oak and stuff. Trees of play, wonderful thing in all sort of tales and stuff. And yeah, thought I'd share that. What new things have you learned, or new phrase that you fell in love with?